Frankie from Frankie Knits Co, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the Eyelet mock cable stitch, which is the stitch pattern that makes up my Ocean Waves scarf. So the Eyelet mock cable stitch is created by a repeating 4-row pattern. I've got my stitch markers on because the pattern repeats across the row to create the multiple eyelets, so I know which one is when to repeat my stitch pattern. So with row 1, you purl 2 to start with. 1, 2. You then slip 1, knit 2. You then slip this stitch that you slipped over these 2 that you just knit, and then you purl 2. And you keep repeating that from your slipped stitch all the way to the end. So you slip 1, knit 2, pass this over and purl 2. 1, 2. And that's what makes up your first row. You just keep doing that until the end of the row. So then with row 2, you knit 2, 1, 2, then you purl 1, yarn over, so you just wrap your yarn around like that and purl 1, and then that's your basic stitch pattern for your row 2. So we knit 1, knit a second one, purl 1, wrap the yarn around and purl another one. And you end with knit 2. The third row in this repeating pattern is simple. You purl 2, then you knit 3, including the one that you just did your yarn over, and that's what creates the whole of the eyelet. And then purl 2, and then you repeat your knit 3, purl 2, stitch repeat for the rest of your row. And finally for row 4, it's again very simple. We just knit 2, and purl 3. And then knit 2. And we repeat the purl 3, knit 2 until the end of the row. Finishing on a knit 2. And there you have it. You just keep repeating those 4 rows to get this beautiful design. I love the Ocean Waves scarf pattern and this stitch type because not only do you get the beautiful design on one side, you also get a lovely ribbing effect on the other side, which I think works great as a scarf. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something. If you did, comment below what you're going to use my tutorial to help you make. Is it that you're going to do my Ocean Waves scarf, or are you doing something else? Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all of my social medias, and my Ravelry and my LoveCrafts. Everything will be in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye!